Okay, that's one time. That's one time. Okay, call again. Call again. What is this? What is happening? Is this like a new update that you get like every time? I just got it again. Dude, I don't know what's happening. I just got it again. I just got it again. Two
Wait,
times?
try calling me. Try calling.
Yeah, I'll call him. Let's see if he gets it. Hey, two times in a row, dude. That's wrong. Oh, that was right. That was so dumb. Anyways, that was fun. Did he get it? Got it two times? Whoa, so it's actually orangey. It's not. What is happening? I just got it. I just got it again.
What?
Oh, what is happening, man? This is kind of cursed. Dude, I should buy a lottery ticket right now. I'm gonna wait. Call me again. Call me again. I'll see if I can get to 5. What? So, that for a fourth time. I don't know.
But there's literally no way.
Dude, I'm going to upload it to YouTube after. Okay, call me one more time. Okay, I gotta get to school. Oh, what? Oh, this is a thing. Oh, this is a thing. And I just got it again. What is happening?
Okay, record it. Record it this
I'm
time.
recording it right now. I just recorded all 5 of them. Okay, I'm gonna upload to YouTube.